By the decision, lumabas lang siya nung sinabi kong may gagawin ang ombudsman tungkol dyan. So, it's a surprise, secret decision that came out.
So, it was a secret, sir?
Well, nobody was raising that issue before. Joel Villanueva kept quiet through all the years. Ombudsman Martinez never spoke about it. Di ba? Parang secret decision siya. Alam niyo ba yun? Did you know about it? Nobody knows about it.
Sir, sabi po ni Senator Joel Villanueva, sabi niya daw po, sir, na dismiss naman daw po and harassment and fake news daw po.
Well, harassment, it's not harassment. It's something that everybody thinks to be still valid, that can turn out to be not valid anymore due to a secret decision. Dapat kasi, hindi naman na-publish yan, hindi yan nilabas. Nobody knew about it. Kahit nasa Senate mismo, hindi nila alam yan. Even Tito Soto didn't know about it. Ngayon lang nila nilabas. So don't you call that a secret decision?
But sir, what about the people here at the Ombudsman's office? Siyempre, alam din dapat nila yan, sir.
Exactly. Nobody was raising any issue about it before this.
Sir, may sabotang bang nangyari kung naging secret po ito?
Hindi ko alam eh. Basta it's a very mysterious decision. Kasi nga, it's a public interest decision. He ran for public office, he was elected senator. So it's a very newsworthy thing. And it's something that is in the public interest.
Kailangan pa ba ng investigation internally, sir, dito sa Ombudsman?
Now we're studying the decision. We're studying everything.
Sir, to be very clear, will you still send the letter or hindi na po?
Hindi na.
Okay.
Kasi nga, nagbago na yung premises natin. Nagbago na.